This video is for people that are 18 years and above. If you're not above 18, please skip this video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to unblur or enable adult videos on YouTube. There are hidden settings enabled by default on the YouTube app that can restrict or limit your ability not to watch adult video on YouTube. I will show you how to fix it in 2 simple steps. To do that, firstly, open up the YouTube app and going to tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, you're going to tap on setting and select general. Scroll down to restricted mode. The reason you are not being able to watch adult content is because this setting is enabled by default. This help have potential mature videos. Alright, you need to turn this off. Now you're going to tap back also, tap back. Now once you come back, you're going to tap on the search bar and type adult videos and click search. Now as you are seeing, there is blur on and blur off. Right now all the adult video is blur, even those I have searched for it, although I have disabled restriction mode, but yesterday it is still blurred on. To be able to see adult video, just tap on blur off. I don't want to turn on blur off for adult content to display in this video, so that I'm going to have a restriction. All right, now you are saying once you turn on blur off, you're going to see adult content. All right, as you can see the various title. All right, thanks for watching. This is what I wanted to share with you. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tips. This is the last settings. Once you blur off, you're going to see everything. All right, bye for now.